It's important to keep your profile up to date. That way you can make sure that the right information is being sent out on public search portals. Click on the top right, your initials, and then click on My Profile. You can click on Quick Profile Maintenance to give you a quick look at your entire profile. Your email address, phone number, web address, license, and address should be updated by GetBar staff to assure that it syncs correctly to any public search portals. But please feel free to edit your My Bio, your agent portal, and your professional designations sections to give the most accurate representation of yourself. This is also where you can have it include designations on your listings, in the footer, in your public view, and your private view name. Once you've made any changes, click Save. It'll update your profile and return you back to the My Profile page. You can also go to My Documents to upload any documents you want attached to your MLS profile itself. But again, names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, and web addresses should all be updated by GetBar staff to ensure they sync across for all the public search portals correctly. The next place to look is at Personal Photo and Logo Maintenance. This is where you'll attach professional headshots for yourself and logos for your company. You can click New right here. Then you just tell the system if it's a logo, a different image, or a photo of yourself or an office. Give it a description, such as a headshot. Click Browse, and select any photo. We're going to use a example photo from one of our flyers. Very important here though is on this, please make sure if you resize or no resize, you can select your preset images and do not mess too much with these settings because it can cause your photo to be shrunk down or expanded very large. Once you hit add, now it's added to your account like this. If you need to remove one, make sure you have it selected, scroll down to the bottom, and hit remove. Anytime you upload a photo, it may take your computer a while to get the update because most web browsers have that information cached. So even though it doesn't display immediately for you, it is displaying immediately for everyone else who didn't already have your profile photo cached.